Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. The Modi government 3.0 is on the brink of its biggest challenge yet. Its stiffest opposition in a parliamentary session commences tomorrow. The NDA, which had 65% of the seats in the Lok Sabha in 2019, has only 54% of the seats in 2024. But the UPA, which had 17% of the seats in 2019, has now manifested into an India alliance in parliament, which has 43% of the seats in the Lok Sabha. What this means, ladies and gentlemen, is that in addition to the fact that the India controls 32% of the Rajya Sabha, where the Modi government has about 50% support, now the Modi government will find it even more difficult to push through with big bang legislations in the Lok Sabha as well. They're up in arms about a wide range of issues, about the pro tem speaker, about the constitution being in danger, about water situation in Delhi, about hooch debts in Tamil Nadu. And in my opinion, ladies and gentlemen, my reading of these wide variety and bouquet of threats in the classic high pitch by the Indy players today is that the Indy is coming hyper prepared to bring ruckus to the house, to obstruct in the name of rightful protest in numbers and opposition the government has not contended with in the last 10 years. So my view on this is that it will be very difficult, but not impossible, very difficult for the Modi government to handle an opposition that believes that this time it has the numbers, that it cannot just be pushed aside completely by the ruling party. So I expect them to be very obstinate and headstrong in their approach. But as a citizen, we can only hope that the intent to disrupt does not become the sole intent of the opposition by itself. The Congress party has dropped another family member into the ring, by the way. Robert Vadra, 56-year-old son-in-law of Sonia Gandhi. He has also thrown his hat into the ring. He says, I'm also going to come to parliament. So you're going to have Sonia Gandhi in parliament, Rahul Gandhi in parliament, Priyanka Vadra in parliament, Robert Vadra in parliament. But as we fight for final, that is if he wins, but as we fight for final solutions on issues like the NEET, we must get the answers and the accountability for the people. But the intent to disrupt cannot be, as I said, the only intent of the opposition. I want to start with a quick news report which summarizes the present political situation as of tonight, which is 9 p.m. on the 24th of June, and then we debate.
मैं नरेंद्र दामोदर दास मोदी जो लोकसभा का सदस्य निर्वाचित हुआ हूं, इमरजेंसी के ये 50 साल इस संकल्प के हैं कि हम गौरव के साथ हमारे संविधान की रक्षा करते हुए भारत के लोकतांत्रिक परंपराओं की रक्षा करते हुए देशवासी संकल्प लेंगे कि भारत में फिर कभी कोई ऐसी हिम्मत नहीं करेगा जो 50 साल पहले की गई थी और लोकतंत्र पे काला धब्बा लगा दिया गया था.
The first session of the 18th Lok Sabha started on a stormy note.
संविधान की रक्षा हम करेंगे. संविधान का तोड़ना बंद करो.
The opposition gave a call to save the constitution and protested.
संविधान की रक्षा हम करेंगे.
भारत की नई पीढ़ी इस बात को कभी नहीं भूलेगी कि भारत के संविधान को पूरी तरह नकार दिया गया था. संविधान के लीरे लीरा उड़ा दिए गए थे. देश को जेल खाना बना दिया गया था. लोकतंत्र को पूरी तरह दबोच दिया गया था.
Prime Minister held a mirror to Congress. Tomorrow would mark the 50th anniversary of emergency. The darkest hour for democracy in independent India's history, the emergency was imposed by Indira Gandhi's government on June 25, 1975. But practicing politics of amnesia, Congress still began the session with protests. perhaps emboldened by its increased tally in the Lok Sabha.
बचाओ 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 संविधान बचाओ.
Is this session also going to turn into a show of its strength by the opposition in parliament? The portents don't look good. From raising objections against pro tem speaker,
100 बार यही बात बोलेंगे और इमरजेंसी के 50 साल हो रहे बोले तो तुम इमरजेंसी से विदाउट डिक्लेयरिंग इमरजेंसी यू आर डूइंग इट. इसीलिए हर बार वही बात बोल के आप कितने दिन ऐसा ही अपनी हुकूमत करना चाहते हैं.
to riding on the anger of the students over NEET. Even nitpicking on who should be the Parliamentary Affairs Minister, a prerogative of the Prime Minister. The opposition seems to have set its agenda for the 18th Lok Sabha first session. And amidst all this, the Congress is pitching for Robert Vadra.
हमेशा जब किसी ने पूछा कि आप पहला कदम कब लेंगे संसद में, मैंने हमेशा बोला कि जब प्रियंका सांसद बनेंगी और संसद में होंगी उसके बाद मैं अपना प्रचार करूंगा, अपने तरीके से सोचूंगा.
With least productive budget session in 5 years, the last one of the 17th Lok Sabha was the shortest since 1952. The outgoing Lok Sabha also witnessed unprecedented obstructionism and its consequences by way of mass suspensions of parliamentarians. Disqualification of 2 MPs, Rahul Gandhi and Mahua Moitra. And the passage of some crucial bills in both houses without any debate or voting. While the opposition is setting its agenda to yet again disrupt parliament proceedings, trying to capitalize on BJP's number dip, Prime Minister has made it clear that this government is a strong one.
कि आजादी के बाद दूसरी बार किसी सरकार को लगातार तीसरी बार सेवा करने के लिए देश की जनता ने अवसर दिया है और ये अवसर 60 साल के बाद आया है. ये अपने आप में बहुत बड़ी गौरवपूर्ण घटना है.
Day one of the new Lok Sabha turned into a constitution versus emergency debate. But going by the signalling, are we going to see protests and pandemonium this Lok Sabha too? More importantly, don't we, the people of India, deserve better?
Ramesh Sabarwal of the Congress, Waris Pathan of the MIM, Anurag Bhadoria of the Samajwadi Party, Piyush Joshi supports the Aam Aadmi Party, Shubhankar Bhattacharya backs the TMC, Pattabhi Ram Komar Reddy is national spokesperson of TDP, and Sanju Verma is national spokesperson of BJP. So I think the important thing is that it's good that there should be debate, but the idea should not be that we will destroy the parliament session. अब सिखाएंगे इनको,
बीजेपी
बंद कर देंगे, चलने नहीं देंगे. कोई ये
पार्लियामेंट को डिस्ट्रॉय. बीजेपी चाहती पार्लियामेंट नहीं चले. ये बीजेपी की आदत है. बीजेपी चाहती नहीं पार्लियामेंट चले, पार्लियामेंट में जनता के मुद्दों पे चर्चा हो. बीजेपी हमेशा मुद्दों से भागने की बात कर रही है. 2014 से 2024 की बीत की बात नहीं करना चाहती है. वो 1950-1960 में जाना चाहती है. आपने 2014 में जनता के साथ जो वादे किए थे क्या पूरे कर दिए? काला धन वापस आ गया, ब्लैक मनी लाने की बात थी, किसान की इनकम दुगनी हो गई. क्या किया आपने बताइए?
सरकार तो वापस आ गई ना.
महंगाई कम होगी आपने बोला था.
सरकार तो इनकी वापस आ गई.
फार्मर की इनकम दुगनी होगी. मैं सोच रहा हूँ महिलाओं का सम्मान बच गया क्या? मैं पूछ रहा हूँ. महिलाओं के साथ जो अन्याय बढ़ा है, अग्निवीर जैसी योजना ले आए. एक एमपी बनेगा 5 साल के लिए, अग्निवीर की नौकरी लगेगी 4 साल के लिए. युवा को आप 4 साल के लिए नौकरी देना चाहते हैं. कमाल की बात है. लॉकडाउन आपने इस देश के अंदर में लगाया, सारी गाड़ियां खड़ी रहीं, लोग पैदल चल के लोगों की मौतें हो गई। ये कहाँ का है? और पेपर लीक का आलम देखिए किस तरह से पेपर लीक इस देश में हो गया। पेपर लीक मतलब है जैसे इंडियन प्रीमियम लीग होता था, आजकल हो रहा है इंडियन पेपर लीक हो गया। बताइए आप, इंडियन प्रीमियर लीग की जगह इंडियन पेपर लीक की बात चलने लगी। बताइए, हर पेपर लीक, नीट का पेपर लीक है, 12th का पेपर लीक है, ग्रेजुएशन का पेपर लीक है, पुलिस भर्ती का पेपर लीक है, और उसके बाद भाग भी जाते हैं। जैसे नीरव मोदी भाग गया पैसा लेके,
अरे पेपर लीक के तो एक्सपर्ट, ग्लोबल नंबर 1 एक्सपर्ट आप हैं। पेपर लीक के रिकॉर्ड होल्डर आप हैं।
आप सोचते
पेपर लीक के रिकॉर्ड होल्डर आप हैं।
ताली पीटेंगे, वाह वाह सरकार, बहुत अच्छा हुआ, आपने भगा दिया सबको देश के बाहर। कमाल की बात करते हैं आप भी। देश में, देश के पार्लियामेंट के अंदर में आप भारतीय जनता पार्टी इस पर चर्चा करने को तैयार नहीं है। और अघोषित इमरजेंसी क्यों नहीं, जरा बता दीजिए आप। मध्य प्रदेश की सरकार किसने गिराई थी? किसने गिराई मध्य प्रदेश की सरकार? जनता द्वारा चुनी सरकार को गिराने का काम भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने किया मध्य प्रदेश में। इसी तरह से महाराष्ट्र में इन्होंने महाराष्ट्र में सरकार को
opening the debate right now, ladies and gentlemen. Anurag Bhadoria open the debate, and I'm going across to Sanju Verma right now, and the debate is on. The debate is on. How much ruckus is enough ruckus? How much ruckus is enough ruckus? And Sanju Verma is responding right now to Anurag Bhadoria. Sanju Verma is opening the debate from the BJP side. Sanju Verma. Anurag ji, Sanju is taking over right now. We are moving very fast tonight on the debate. Hashtag no ruckus, please. No ruckus, please. No ruckus, please. No ruckus on my program, please. And the question is also wrong on the grid right now. Correct the question, please. Ladies and gentlemen, on the numbers on your screen. Okay, viewers, I'm going back. The numbers that are wrong. It's not UPA 91. It's India. It's Congress 91. Take off the graphics, Aditi. It's wrong. It's 1 minute, please. Can I please? Yeah, thank you very much.
Why is this man going on yapping?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, on the debate this evening. The point is, it's going to be excellent if there is some kind of a debate. But the problem is, if the intent of the opposition is that we are going to destroy the parliament session, then I think that the kind of support they got this time, this much support will also go down. We need to see this slightly increased numbers of the opposition turn parliament into a more constructive field of activity. It should not be childish or anarchic. Sanju, please. Sanju.
I did not heckle this man. Let me speak, or he can continue to blubber. Let him continue to blubber. I will not speak like this.
I'll have to tell the director again that if Anurag is on the window, that we won't go on the debate. So thank you, Anurag, don't do this, please. Thank you. Sanju, continue. Thank you. Sanju. Opening the debate to 2 versus 2. I will need to be helped by the director of the program. Thank you very much. Yeah. Arey Baba, my director doesn't listen anymore to me. They are law unto themselves. I am asking them for a third time. Can I have the Pro-Aap and MIM on the right or the Congress on the right? And can I make the windows? I'll make the windows as well right now. Please, for God's sake, chill. Anurag is still on the right. He won't stop speaking till he sees himself into the window. Shant ho jaiye. Shant ho jaiye. Shant ho jaiye. 1 second. Relax. Sanju, see, you have also got to understand something. I'll show you some graphics, Sanju. You guys are in a much tighter situation. You will have to deal with a much stronger opposition. Okay, you will have to change your approach. You will have to take people along. Okay, and you will have to at least appear, whether you are more consensual in your approach, I don't know, but you will have to appear to be. These are realities.
Yes.
Yes.
Arnab, you know, seeing you doing the job of even adjusting the windows, I don't envy you, but you're a multitasker. I have this to say. You know, the Samajwadi Party spokesperson went on a rant. Ye nahi hua, wo nahi hua, aisa nahi hua, waisa nahi hua. As you rightly said, Anti-Copying Act, which was introduced by the BJP, was revoked by Mulayam Singh Yadav way back in 1992. And I found some very interesting information before coming on your debate. Last time when Akhilesh Yadav contested the election, he said that he's done his engineering from the University of Sydney in Australia. Suddenly this time that detail was missing. मतलब Sydney University से Australia से अखिलेश यादव ने कोई engineering वगैरह नहीं की है, झूठ बोलने की इनको आदत है.
1 minute on this response. No, he's speaking now. Aditya, again I'll have to tell my producers. The reference is being made to Samajwadi Party. The smarter thing would be to put the SP spokesperson on the right-hand side now. Now, if I have to keep making the windows, I can't do the debate. Yeah, 1 second, please. 1 second.
Can
Yeah.
I finish or not? Anurag Bhadauria had a 5-minute run.
अनब ऐसे नहीं
He
चलेगा.
had a
पर्चा लीक
5-minute
बहुत बड़ा
ramble.
मुद्दा है. पर्चा लीक
He had
मतलब
a
राष्ट्र का
5-minute
अपमान होता है.
ramble.
ये राष्ट्र का
He
मुद्दा
had
है.
a 5-minute
बच्चों के
ramble.
भविष्य के साथ खिलवाड़ हो रहा है.
शांत हो
बच्चों का
जाओ.
भविष्य बर्बाद हो रहा है. आप
अखिलेश
उसको
यादव
आगे ले रहे हैं.
इंजीनियरिंग
आप
नहीं
उनसे
की है उन्होंने सिडनी की यूनिवर्सिटी से. अखिलेश यादव इंजीनियरिंग
के अपने बच्चों को पढ़ाते
उन्होंने
हैं.
की है या
कर्जा
नहीं
लेके
पहले
अपने
जवाब
बच्चों को
दो.
पढ़ाते हैं.
Why
दोबारा
did
फिर एक
Akhilesh
साल
Yadav
कर्जा
lie
नहीं
in his
लिया. फिर अपना
affidavit?
खेत बेचने
Why
के
did
लिए
Akhilesh
बच्चों को
Yadav lie
तैयारी
in his
करवाने के लिए.
affidavit
और
that
आप
he has
इसको
done
बोल रहे हैं, हल्के में
engineering
लेके
from
बीजेपी के
Sydney
प्रवक्ता इसको बात कर
University
रहे
in
हैं. ऐसा नहीं
Australia?
चलेगा. यहाँ
Why did he
लाखों
remove the
स्टूडेंट के कैरियर
detail
का सवाल
in the
है.
Lok Sabha
और
elections
ये
2024
जिस
from his
तरह से
affidavit?
दूसरी कंट्री से वार में जो
आपके
नुकसान होता
अखिलेश
है,
यादव
उससे बड़ा नुकसान है.
इंजीनियर
ये-
हैं या
इससे बड़ा
नहीं?
नुकसान होता है पर्चा लीक
आपके
से.
अखिलेश
ये
यादव
राष्ट्र का
इंजीनियर
इसका
हैं या नहीं?
कितना बड़ा हमारा
आपके मुलायम सिंह यादव ने एंटी कॉपिंग एक्ट को निरस्त किया था, हाँ या नहीं?
हिंदुस्तान के अंदर में
और
पर्चा
I
लीक हो
refuse to
जाता है.
debate like this. Now I am shutting down my camera because you are not giving me time to speak.
पर्चा लीक हो जा रहा है और आप उसको ऐसे बोल दे रहे हो, हल्के में बात कर दे रहे हो. ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. देश के अंदर में पर्चा लीक से बड़ा मुद्दा नहीं हो सकता. ये राष्ट्र का सबसे बड़ा मुद्दा है. ये राष्ट्र का नुकसान हो रहा है. बच्चे हमारे देश के भविष्य होते हैं.
this
आप
is
उनके
not fair.
भविष्य के साथ खेलो
He
मतलब
started
राष्ट्र
the
के भविष्य
debate.
के
You
साथ
gave
खेल
him
रहे
a
हो.
5-minute
बच्चों के
run.
भविष्य के साथ खेलने का मतलब
I will not
राष्ट्र
debate
के
with this
भविष्य के
man
साथ
like
आप
this.
खेल रहे हो. और राष्ट्र के भविष्य के साथ खेलने वाले को ये देश की जनता कहीं माफ नहीं करेगी. अभी 240 मिले, अभी चुनाव हो जाएगा, 40 नहीं आएंगे
Can I
आपके.
come in
ये
or
यूथ
not?
जो बड़ी आशा से आपकी तरफ देखता है, उसको आप ऐसी हल्के में आपका मंत्री कहता कोई
You see,
पर्चा निकले
the issue is 1 minute. Sanju, 1 minute. Let me make a comment now. You are seeing the debate now, Mr. Sabharwal. I'll get Mr. Sabharwal and Anurag Bhadauria on the right. 1 minute. Let me explain you. Let me explain to you. Sanju, just give me a moment. Give me a moment. Give me a moment. I want to come in and make a very serious point, Sanju. You see, the nature of Parliament will be like this debate. In this debate, as you can see, Anurag Bhadauria has come with the intention that I will create halla, I will create a ruckus, and that is how I will make my presence felt. It is also possible. It is also possible. No, Sanju, 1 minute. It is also possible, Mr. Sabharwal and Mr. Komareddy, to make your presence felt with reasonable arguments by listening to the other side, by responding to the other person, by responding with a counter fact. That is also a way to place your facts. But I really fear, viewers, I fear that this parliament session will be like this.
उन बच्चों की फाइनेंशियली
Have
मदद
you
तो एक
seen
साल के
Anurag
लिए.
Bhadauria is continuing to blabber?
Arnav.
Are you going to moderate the debate as an anchor or
Can I
not?
come in for a minute?
Yeah, Mr. Komareddy, yeah.
Can I please finish making
1 minute,
my point?
Sanju, I'm coming to you, Mr. Komareddy. This is a serious
No, you
situation.
never give BJP the time to
I will. 1 minute, Sanju, Mr. Komareddy. You open 1 minute. Mr. Komareddy.
Are you running this?
I will. Don't. You are all getting very worked up. We have a lot of time on the debate. Mr. Komareddy.
Ballbazi by the Samajwadi Party
No, you will all
spokesperson.
get your turn. Mr. Komareddy will make his point because he's responding to the present rather unusual situation. It's a rather unusual situation where nobody gets a chance to, where Mr. Bhadauria has successfully heckled his way into a ruckus on my program. Yes, Mr. Komareddy, go on, please.
नहीं सक्सेसफुली नहीं है. आप बच्चों को फाइनेंशियली मदद दिलवा दीजिए.
Yeah, Arnav, we have seen what happened in the parliament today.
जो गरीब बच्चे हैं, जो
The Honorable Prime Minister.
मदद हो. वैसे
अरे सुनिए, एक मिनट आप.
कर्जा उठाएंगे उनके
ये रनिंग कमेंट्री नहीं चलेगा.
तैयारी कराने के लिए.
आप सुनिए, एक मिनट सुनिए. आज we have seen what happened in the parliament today. The Honorable Prime Minister was the Honorable Prime Minister.
जिनके पास पैसा नहीं है.
अरे सुनिए आप.
एग्जाम की तैयारी करेंगे.
मैं कुछ सिखा रहा हूँ आपको. सुनिए,
Bhadauria, can you
कुछ
shut
इंटरेस्टिंग
up?
फैक्ट्स दे रहा हूँ मैं आपको.
Can you shut up for
कुछ
a minute?
इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट्स दे रहा हूँ मैं आपको. सुनिए.
He's not listening to anyone. This is exactly how Rahul Gandhi is behaving in parliament.
In reminding the nation.
उन गरीब बच्चों को फाइनेंशियली मदद की बात.
Arnav, you have to silence him for a minute.
मदद कैसे होगी? बस इतना सा हमें बता दीजिए. बस इतना.
ठीक है, सुनिए. The Honorable Prime Minister
Yeah, can
was
you be
right
quiet?
in reminding the
I
nation
just can you be quiet?
about the emergency that was imposed on 25th of June 1975.
Move on.
We are completing 50 years of the imposition of emergency. The Honorable Prime Minister was right in reminding the nation about what had happened, how democracy was murdered, and today what is the drama that is being played by the India Alliance? What is the drama that is being played by the India Alliance or not?
क्या ड्रामा?
They are holding this constitution
अधिकार मांगना
books.
ड्रामा है।
Now I want to
संसद ने
convey some facts to my
अधिकार दिया है
friend.
कि मैं अपनी बात
आप
कह
सुनिए,
सकता
एक
हूं,
मिनट
उसमें ड्रामा
सुनिए.
मत बोलिए इसको।
Listen to
मैं
the
अपना
facts.
अधिकार मांग रहा हूं।
Listen to the facts. Where was the Indian Constitution when Article 356 was misused for 90 times? Where was the Indian Constitution when Article 356 was misused for 90 times by the Congress Party? Where was the Indian Constitution then? Indira Gandhi misused the Article 356 for 50 times. Where was the Indian Constitution? Where was the Indian Constitution when governments were dismissed undemocratically? Arnab, this running commentary should not continue. They don't have any moral right. You don't have any moral right to hold the Indian Constitution.
सरकार को आपने गिना दिया था।
You dismiss governments. You misuse Article 356 90 times. And today you hold the Indian Constitution.
राजस्थान में क्या हुआ था? आपने सरकार गिराने की कोशिश की। आप हिमाचल में सरकार गिराने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। आप झारखंड में सरकार गिराने की कोशिश करते हैं।
This is a classic
आप क्या
example.
बात कर रहे हैं? 90 times. I am telling you a fact. सरकार गिराने की बात हम करें तो 90 times आपने गिराया। आर्टिकल 356 का मिसयूज करके 90 times आपने सरकारों को गिराया। इंदिरा जी ने 50 बार गिराया। 50 बार गिराया इंदिरा जी ने। क्या ये सच नहीं है? 50 बार इंदिरा गांधी जी ने आर्टिकल 356 का मिसयूज करके सरकार की गिराया था। Is it not a fact?
सत्ता में है, कितने दिन चलेगी?
67 between 67 and 69. She misused it 7 times.
Okay, now this is too much.
She misused it 19
I will have to give Mr. Bhadoria a break. I am feeling bad. I'm not feeling bad for Bhadoria actually. I am feeling bad for Mr. Bhadoria's lungs.
Was dismissed.
I am not concerned about Bhadoria.
Not a fact that
But
NTR's government.
Bhadoria जी आपके फेफड़ों को लेके मुझे बहुत चिंता हो रही है.
मैं जनता के
आपके
मेरा फेफड़ा एकदम सही है। अरे हम लोग समाजवादी लोग हैं, फेफड़े सही, जनता की आवाज
Okay,
सही है।
ladies and gentlemen, Ramesh Sabarwal is on the debate tonight with Sanju Verma and Waris Patan and Aap and everyone. So we'll have Sanju on one side and we'll have 2 versus 3 on the other side.
Now, may I come in? May I?
No.
We just have to sit here and listen to what is going on to make our point.
Okay.
Allow us to make our point. No ruckus here, please. Let the ruckus take place in Parliament, not here, Arnab. Parliament is a temple of democracy. People select their representatives to go there and see to it that their problems are solved. Now what has happened? When will Modi is silent on Manipur, Modi is silent on the NEET paper leaks, and what we were expecting, see, we are not a part of the NDA or the INDA alliance. We expected Modi to make a point on Manipur and also the NEET paper leaks, which has ruined the career of lakhs of students. We were expecting that the so-called champions of secularism will at least speak something about the mob lynchings of the Muslim after the 4th. After the elections have been declared, 4 of the Muslims have been mob lynched. Akbar Nagar people have their homes have been demolished. Most of the homes were of the Muslims. They were staying there since last more than 50 years. You demolished that. Everybody is silent. What happens in
can you please moderate the
a
debate
boy
for a
just
change?
puts a photograph
Or
on
am I
WhatsApp
supposed to listen to the
status
rubbish of
and
this
people
man?
go to the shop,
I'm not here to
they
listen to the bhashan
ransack
by
his
this
shop.
radical Islamist.
What happens after nobody is
I'm not
arrested
here to
in
listen
front
to the
of the
bhashan by
police?
this radical Islamist.
No, you don't call me. You are a radicalist. You are a radicalist. That is your judge. Don't be personal. Don't be personal. Who are you to call me radical Islamist? And who are you? Who are you?
Sanju Verma called him an radical Islamist right now on the program, and the All India Majlis-e-Ittehadul Muslimin spokesperson is all fired up. Sanju, you called him a radical Islamist. What was the need for that?
You are a radicalized Hindu state monger.
Jihadi shant ho jao.
You just shut up. You shut up and be silent.
Then Kanhaiya was murdered by a radical Islamist jihadi brothers. तब आप कहाँ थे? When Umesh Kole was murdered by a jihadi brothers. तब आप कहाँ थे? When Nupur Sharma,
who are you? Kindly consider those very innocent Muslims have been murdered. Who are you?
Imtiaz Jalil, who said Nupur Sharma को चौराहे में खड़ा करके सरपंच से जुदा करना चाहिए. Did you convince your INM MP Imtiaz Jalil? You are nothing but a jihadi shant. अनपढ़ जिहादी शान, अनपढ़ जिहादी शान, अनपढ़ जिहादी शान हो जाओ, अनपढ़ जिहादी शांत हो जाओ.
I don't debate with a 2 rupee right winger troll.
अरे अनपढ़
I don't
जिहादी
debate with a
सरपंच से
2
जुदा
rupee right
करके
winger troll.
जिहादी शांत हो
You are a 2
जाओ.
rupee right winger
Sanju, 1 minute. May I just come in at this time? And my question to you, Sanju, is many people watching the program would have a comment. Sanju, listen to me now. What is? Listen to me now. I am a bit surprised. 1 minute. What is Sanju? I thought, Ramesh Sabharwal, I thought that now that the elections are over, Sanju, 1 minute, yeah. Sanju, for God's sake, 1 minute, Sanju. Sanju, stop it 1 minute, please. Sanju, you have to stop now, please. Sanju, please be quiet. Now listen to me. 1 minute. I'm asking you one thing. Listen to me. I thought that after the elections are over, Mr. Sabharwal and Piyush and Shubhankar, I thought things will calm down a little bit. But seeing the kind of debate where now Sanju is calling Waris, you unpad, radical, jihadi, radical Islamist. Sanju, is this tone going to help you? I can't hear you. What happened to your audio? Don't unmute yourself. I'm saying, is this going to help you?
No, Arnab Goswami, tell me. I'm in MP Imtiaz Jalil. He was the member of parliament from Aurangabad. He said, Nupur Sharma ko chaurahe mein khada karo. Aur chaurahe mein khada karke she should be beheaded. When was this man there?
Such kind of trolls coming here, sitting here as
I'm saying, but I thought
this kind of people, Modi is losing. Modi calls about sabka saath, sabka vikas.
But in parliament, but what if I were to argue that in parliament, if in parliament you have to push your 1 minute.
Of Twitter paid by the BJP IT cell. Take it, you are not the national spokesperson. You are a right-winger, 2 rupee troll of the BJP IT cell. 2 rupees. 2 rupees troll. 2 rupee troll. एक धक्का और दो धक्का मार दो. देश के गद्दारों को डैश दे दे. What are you? You shut up, son. Shut up! Don't play woman victim card now. Shut up and get lost. Arey Thana, people slap you on your face. People spit you on your face in Thane. Arnab, nobody cares a damn for it. Nobody even calls her for campaigning. You will be surprised. Living in Mumbai, nobody, the BJP does not even call her to campaign for the candidates. This is what she is.
No, but is this the way to speak, viewers? You know, if I'm watching the program, if you're watching this debate tonight, viewers, 1 minute.
This is because they don't call people.
Waris, will you also chill now, please, yeah?
You are a right-winger.
And please now, Sanju, you also calm down, yeah? Sanju, you calm down, yeah? Sanju, you also calm down, yeah? Bring it down a notch. You bring it down a notch. You also stop now. You stop now, Waris. You stop now, Waris.
Today she will be earning 4 rupees because she will be tweeting more. Today she will be earning more.
You see, the problem is that this time I thought that after the elections will be over, if you're watching the debate tonight, I know exactly what's in your mind. Because you thought that once the elections are over, this is all play acting. These parties are going to get down to work. They're going to work together. They're going to work to run the country together. And my limited point is, this time you have to work together. You have to work together. I mean, sorry, Mrs. Sabharwal, but I'll get Piyush next. I'll Shubhankar next. I'm saying that all this is not going to help us. I don't know if you saw Ian Bremmer's wonderful article. I recommend everyone to read Ian Bremmer's article, which I read over the weekend, in which Ian Bremmer says that in a China plus one situation, India has unique challenges. Stop cackling.
2 rupiah only.
Please. Be serious now. In a China plus one situation, the world's best observers are saying that we have to be extremely careful. We have to be extremely careful, and the Modi government will need to work towards implementing a development agenda. This whole thing, unpad troll, radical jihadist, jihadi, 2 rupee troll, all this kind of language will help nobody. And I want to bring in, I think both sides tonight. I'll tell you. I'm glad to see both of you are enjoying yourself. I'm not sure in my view.
जिहादी रोना शुरू कर दो भाई साहब, जिहादी भाई साहब रोना शुरू कर दो. Start crying और
This is not necessary. Jihadi is not necessary. Radical Islamist, unpad jihadi, and at the same time, what is people spit on your face, slap your face, all this language, 2 rupiah troll is not required. Piyush, if you're watching the program tonight, people will be concerned. This is fun and games till the this is fun and games till a point. After a point, it's not amusing.
It is on more than
It is not amusing. Piyush, please come in. 1 minute. Piyush has to come into the debate.
You know, all I'm trying to say is that this is a unique parliamentary session in many ways. And why it is a unique parliamentary session in many ways? Because it is marked by the genie of paper leak. And it is a very important paper leak. You know, it's the future of 2.3 million students online here. And the government, the education minister of the country comes out and says that there was nothing wrong. And only to antagonize himself later on. So that is why it is unique. It is also unique that it is also preceded by another railway accident, which is, you know, one in a series of many. It is a session marked by a weak prime minister and a strong opposition. So we are going to, you know, see very heated debates both inside and outside parliament. And what we are going to do, you know, the prime minister this time is in a position where he has...
Prime Minister, your Kejriwal is still cooling his heels in Tihar jail, Mr. Joshi. दिल्ली में एक सीट नहीं मिली आपको. We won all the 7 seats
आपका हो जाए तो बता देना.
54% vote share. We won
आपका हो जाए तो
seats
बता
in
देना.
Delhi with a 54% vote share, and you call the Prime Minister.
आपका हो जाए तो बता देना.
After 10 years of being in power, Narendra Modi still managed to get 240
perpetual habit
seats.
of interrupting everyone, you know.
आप यदि मोदी जी को गालियां देंगे, आपको जवाब तो मिलेगा. आपने कहा weak.
अरे मैडम, आप आपके टाइम में जवाब दो ना, नॉन-स्टॉप तो बोलते रहते हो.
How did you call him weak?
अरे
Your Kejriwal could not win a single seat
I will
in
say
Delhi.
whatever I believe in ना. मैं आपके belief set पे थोड़ी चलूंगा. अब जो weak है उसको weak ही बोलेंगे ना. जो weak है उसको weak बोलेंगे.
I think you may be presumptuous. You may be presumptuous, Piyush, in saying that. Sanju, may I have a word in, please? Thank you. I'm just saying that you may be presumptuous, Piyush, and I tell you this. I feel sometimes that the opposition is celebrating its defeat a little bit too much. Their entire argument is that this time our defeat is not as bad as our defeat in 2019 or 2020, 2014. However, please, I think it is presumptuous of you.
Look at this jihad.
We will play a constructive role. Opposition.
This is not this.
Constructive role. We'll fight to save the democracy. We'll fight to save the constitution, for which the people have given us a vote.
I'll have to take MIM off for a while. I'd like to bring in Romesh Sabharwal. Romesh Sabharwal, is this attitude, this attitude of yours? You see, I tell you what. See, there is an opportunity. The Congress can position itself as a serious political party. I personally think that you tell the people what is the reason you are creating a ruckus and you want to destroy parliament.
We will not.
If you, no, 1 minute, I tell you this. You tell Mr. Komareddy, you tell Sanju, we want to destroy your parliament session till you are in power because we are angry that we lost the election. Now, 1 minute. Now, the people of India are not responsible for the fact that you lost the election. You could not convince them, hence the fault is yours. You could not even get 100 seats, the fault is yours. You got only 98 seats, the fault is yours. All the parties of the UPA is less than BJP alone, the fault is yours. The fact that the BJP is at 293, plus the unwritten support of 2 or 3 other parties and independents taking their number over 300, the fault is yours. The credit is theirs. The fact that a BJP government has been elected for the 3rd time, and first time ever this has happened since 1962, the credit is theirs. The fault is yours. The fact that Chandrababu Naidu went with BJP and not with you, the fault is yours. The fact of the matter is that Nitish Kumar, who was once with you, has now gone to them. For that also the fault is yours. Now you can't blame all your faults on the government and the people and say, people of India, we lost the elections. Halla bol, halla bol, halla bol, halla bol. People of India, we couldn't win. Halla bol. We did nothing on entrance exams all the time we were in power. But we will wake up and pretend to be saints now that you are in power. Halla bol, halla bol. What are you doing? No. Arvind Kejriwal can't run Delhi. There is no water. Halla bol, halla bol. No. What is your? What are you doing this for? How will
blame the BJP.
Our role is to play.
Okay, Ms. Sabharwal, raise your voice, then speak.
Our role is
on the debate right now. Ramesh Sabharwal finally raising his voice.
Our role is to look after the interests of the people of India.
Okay, Sanju, the question is to Ramesh Sabharwal.
We are here to
The
play
question is to Ramesh Sabharwal, Sanju Verma.
constructive
Please.
role as a position.
Kejriwal does not understand the meaning of the word transparency. And I want to tell the Congress, Mr. Sabharwal, one thing. आप लोग हमेशा बोलते हो डेमोक्रेसी खतरे में है, but please understand, Mr. Sabharwal, very humbly I want to submit.
Waris is also.
100 occasions थे जहां पर आर्टिकल 356 का इस्तेमाल किया गया कांग्रेस द्वारा। 90 बार तो श्रीमती इंदिरा गांधी ने आर्टिकल 356 का इस्तेमाल किया and duly elected state governments were removed.
Respond 2 versus 2.
आर्टिकल 356
2 versus Sabharwal ji, why did you back off? आप डिबेट नहीं कर पा रहे, आप you've already backed off. You already backed off. I'm giving you a chance. I've taken Piyush and Waris off air to let you give a chance, but you're not speaking.
A new parliament session has started. We have taken an oath today. All of the MPs have taken an oath. Let's start with the positive board. We have to look after the people interest. Number one, we have to save the democracy. We have to save the constitution, and we have to play the role of the constructive opposition.
Yes. Which you don't.
We are here for the people of India.
Which you don't.
We will see
which
that.
you don't.
There
What if the BJP says? What if the BJP says? What if the BJP says more than 50 people have died? More than 50 people have died in the Hooch tragedy. Let's walk out of parliament. Should they say that? Let's walk out of parliament on that. Should they?
Guarantees. Rahul Gandhi has not even expressed regret or remorse.
What happened to Modi has totally failed on all counts.
Priyanka Vadra, who says
you remain silent on the issue of Manipur and you said you have stopped war in Ukraine.
Expressed any regret.
You don't have guts to come before the nation and make your point clear.
No. Right now I'll tell you.
People have lost their
Right now I'll tell you. Waris, my God, what is this man on, man? What kind of steroids has he taken today? Waris, are you feeling all right? What have you been having these days? Yeah.
प्रियंका वड्रा ने हुज ट्रेजेडी को लेकर एक भी ट्वीट नहीं की।
अभी देखिए आपको मैं बताऊं, आपको मैं एक बात बताता हूं संजू जी, क्योंकि आप सारे प्रोग्राम में क्रोधित रहते हैं, आप क्रोध को थोड़ा कम कीजिए। क्रोधात भवति सम्मोहम, आप प्लीज उसमें बुद्धि विपरीत हो जाती है। मेरी बात सुनिए। माय क्वेश्चन इज, अच्छा 1 मिनट, यू सी अभी ऐसी सिचुएशन है सबरवाल जी, आई एम नॉट जोकिंग, अभी ऐसी सिचुएशन है कि थोड़े देर पहले आपको पता चला कि कोई स्विगी की डिलीवरी में एक मैगट पाया गया। 2-3 दिन पहले आइसक्रीम के अंदर सेंटीपीड पाई गई। यू हर्ड अबाउट दैट? हर्शीज चॉकलेट सिरप के अंदर एक चूहा पाया गया। आई एम सरप्राइज्ड एक्चुअली, वारिस, आई एम सरप्राइज्ड कि अभी तक कांग्रेस पार्टी ने ये नहीं कहा है कि प्रधानमंत्री शुड रिजाइन ओवर द स्विगी डिलीवरी। नहीं। अरे आप उसमें भी करेंगे, प्रधानमंत्री को रिजाइन करने दीजिए, पार्लियामेंट बंद कर दो। नहीं। ऑन एवरी इशू आप नॉन सीरियस हो गए। नहीं, you have become you become non-serious. You have to take a constructive. You are not playing a constructive opposition. You did not. You walked out when Kashmir's delimitation was discussed.
That is all earlier because of this.
You tell me, has Rahul Gandhi
new parliament, new mandate has given by the people of India. We will fight for the price rise. We'll fight for their interest. We'll fight for the students' issues, for the paper leakage.
You tell us when will 15 lakh deposited in our account. You tell them.
We'll fight for CNG price.
Tell us that. Why are you silent?
We'll fight for the milk price, CNG price, dal price, atta price. We'll fight for the students' people's issue. We are meant for that.
Into anyone's accounts.
Dictatorship is over in this country. Dictatorship is over now. Now, discussion and debate for the public, for the people of India.
Today we have Ayushman Bharat, the world's largest healthcare scheme.
What is this?
No, they have come with a predecided agenda. Shubhankar, 1 minute. Shubhankar, what do you think? Shubhankar.
Today we have Mudra Yojana, the world's largest.
Shubhankar, for example, when the MSP, 1 minute, when the MSP for Kharif was increased substantially, almost equal to the demand of the farmers, at any point of time did any opposition party say this was one of the best decisions of the third term of Modi's prime ministership? Did any of you appreciate that?
Arnav, the biggest problem I think what has been is that now you need to create a ruckus to be heard, whether on parliament or on any panel itself. So it's visible over here. Whether you go to, you watch Bigg Boss or over here, it's only the ruckus that is actually, catering to the common viewer's mind. So anyway, the thing is that, see, we need to accept the number. Okay, fine. We got the less number.
Are you saying that Waris should be sent to Bigg Boss?
The government.
You are saying that Waris Pathan should be sent to Bigg Boss? Okay, anyway.
I'm actually including Sanju Verma and everyone.
I'm very much happy with my
I think we
assembly.
should be little more tolerant. Little more tolerant towards each other. That would make it more simpler and at least let everyone to be heard. So the basic thing is, let us accept all the numbers. Fine. If we have gone down, we are sitting in the opposition, the people are in the opposition, except the fact that you are in the opposition. The government has to understand that now the numbers have gone down, so you are in the comparatively more harmless situation as compared to earlier. See, now also, I have to shout at the top of my voice, use my complete lungs just to prove the same thing, because everyone wants to be heard at the same point of time. So the thing is, of course, the thing is over here, that now the government cannot run like the earlier time.
Okay, I'll tell you.
Fine, we are celebrating 50
What do you
years
want to do?
of that dream that you had 50 years ago. But you cannot justify that with the 10 years.
The question is, Shubhankar, 1 minute. Shubhankar, I'm going about it very logically. 1 minute, Waris, 1 minute. I'm going about it logically with Ramesh Sabharwal and Piyush on the right, and Sanju and Patabi Ram Komareddy on the left. I want to take 1 second to talk to the viewers. USC viewers, this is not just about Halla actually. The opposition feels, and Rahul Gandhi gave an interview when he said that the government can fall anytime. If we put some pressure, government will fall. That's not true. That's not true, Mr. Sabharwal. You have only 98 MPs. You cannot form an alternative government. If this whole attempt, Mr. Komareddy, is to say that if Chandrababu Naidu goes, government will fall. If Nitish goes, government will fall. I was asking someone the other day, no disrespect to you, but I said even if TDP goes, government will not fall, and TDP knows that. Even if Nitish goes, government will not fall, and Nitish knows that. And in any case, everybody is working towards a common national purpose, am I right? So, what do you want? You want a constant no-confidence motion every morning in Parliament, Mr. Sabharwal? Do you want every day of Parliament a no-confidence motion like you had last time? Over Manipur, you had
no confidence. There will be any anti-people policies which Mr. Modi will bring.
Which one?
Any.
No, which, when? No, you're saying when? Which? Where?
अभी तो शुरू हुआ नया
पार्लियामेंट तो होने दो ना.
He was doing that. हमने क्या किया?
क्या?
हमने तो कुछ नहीं किया.
अभी आप कल करने वाले हो ना.
हम क्यों करेंगे?
आप रकस करो.
हमने तो oath लिया आज.
आदत है.
हमारे तो MPs people are taking oath today.
Okay.
Our MPs are taking their position.
No, you will create a ruckus tomorrow over NEET.
India is
You will create a ruckus. You will create a ruckus over NEET. You are not happy with the fact that the government has had a re-examination for 1,500 students. You're not happy with the fact that the CBI has come into the case. You're not happy. No. You're not happy with the fact that there's a high-powered committee which has been set up. You're not happy with the fact that in 5 centers there's a deep investigation going on.
Why not we are happy?
I'm a doctor by profession. Let me talk about
Piyush is saying something to you tonight. I'm saying if you're a doctor, then don't go with a premeditated approach to have an hallabol attitude on the issue.
I'm not going with the premeditated.
Piyush, louder.
The problem is that this chairman has had a very strange kind of past. His past has been marked by various paper leaks when he was head of different organizations. And still you are keeping that chairman as the head of the National Testing Authority. So that itself shows the intention of the government as far as the paper leaks are concerned. As far as the CBI investigation is concerned, CBI has investigated the Vyapam Ghotala. That Vyapam Ghotala was surprisingly closed, one fine day, and nothing was done thereafter. And the same investigator again investigated the nursing Ghotala of Madhya Pradesh. And now we are finding out that investigator has made crores and crores of rupees.
But point is, Piyush, listen. Piyush, Mr. Komareddy, Piyush, be fair tonight. Piyush, be fair. Listen, Piyush, listen. One second. Mr. Komareddy, one minute. One line. The government, the election is over. The government is formed. Chill, yeah? They won, you lost.
Arnab,
What is this?
Fine. So what?
They won, you lost. Let them walk.
So what? Tomorrow will be a different day. Tomorrow there will
Yeah,
be
so
different
win the next election after 5 years or whenever, yeah? Don't give me a migraine every
I
day.
asked my friends in the
You're giving me a political migraine every day.
The Prime Minister
friends
keeps
in the
living in the
opposition,
past.
please
Mr. Komareddy.
Not just
The Prime Minister
PDP.
keeps living in the past. That is not a
I want my friends in the opposition to stop daydreaming. It's not
Komareddy.
None of the NDA alliance partners are going to leave the alliance. Not just the TDP. None of the partners are going to leave this alliance.
Nobody's going to leave.
And it is the India alliance which
Sir,
is
time
going to
will tell.
fall as
Time
a pack
will
of
tell,
cards. And one thing or not, I've seen the drama today in Parliament holding the Indian Constitution. One straight question to the Congress, in the Congress: is it not a fact that you have blocked the father of the Indian Constitution, Baba Sahib Ambedkar, twice?
Oh,
from
Ramesh,
The time
Ramesh.
will tell
You
who
have
remains
defeated
and is the
Ambedkar ji.
government.
Twice,
Time will tell, sir.
in 52 and 54.
Ramesh.
What moral right
We
you
have seen so many times
What moral
coalition
right you have
governments
to hold
also
Indian
don't be so
Constitution?
assured.
Indira Gandhi
Don't be so
had
assured as far as the
Article
stability of the
56,
government is
50
concerned.
times. What moral
Arey,
right you
Mr.
have to
Agarwal
hold
is
Indian
speaking.
Constitution? You have dismissed our government, Shri NTR's government in 84. What
Mr.
moral
Modi,
right you have to hold
dictatorship is
Indian
over now.
Constitution?
Dictatorship is over.
This is a party.
Now the
which has brought in visa.
the people of India,
Maintenance of
what they want,
Security Act.
that will
What
be
is
passed in
visa?
the parliament.
Is it
No
constitutional?
dictatorship now.
Is it
Every
constitutional
individual
to
of
bring in
India,
visa?
every citizen of
What
India
moral right you
will
have
be
to
a
hold
voice
Indian
in the parliament
Constitution?
of India now.
So stop these
The
dramas.
opposition will play a
बंद करो ये
role
नाटक.
under the leadership
बंद
of
करो ये
Rahul
नाटक.
Gandhi. You see the
आपको
parliament
moral
now.
right नहीं है.
We will fight for the every
Constitution हाथ
issue.
में पकड़ने का
Where the public
moral
is
right नहीं है
concerned.
आपको.
Milk rice,
You have-
CNG
you have
rice,
killed
paper
democracy
leakage,
in this country
everything
many
will
times.
fight for us on the floor of the house.
What about the fuel prices in
ये
Karnataka?
नाटकबाजी नहीं चलेगा.
What about the fuel price?
Still
What
there,
about no? You said fuel prices. Are you referring to the recent increase in fuel prices in Karnataka, where the Congress party is in power?
Natka, still the rates are comparatively low than the BJP
Sanju is on.
governments. Than the BJP governments. Still it is low. But still, we want that. We have told the Chief Minister that because we have made so many guarantees to the people of
Sanju is on.
For that we have increased.
Okay, Sanju, not on.
There's a 15% increase in engineering fees for government-run colleges in Karnataka. There's a 500% increase in stamp duty for non-affordable housing projects in Karnataka. There is a 37% increase in basic electricity prices for urban consumers and 23% increase in basic electricity prices for rural consumers in Karnataka. The 10 kg of rice that was promised is not being delivered, and DK Shivkumar has said that Karnataka needs 57,000 crore every year to fulfill its promises. You have a debt burden of more than 6 lakh crore.
rupees which Modi promised to be deposited in the account. Why have they not deposited? What about the 2 crore jobs that were to be provided to the youth? What about the 2 crore jobs that were to be provided? What about the black money that was to be brought? What about Vijay? What about Vijay Mallya? What about Vijay Mallya? Why is he not brought yet? 2 rupee troll, answer to my question. You 2 rupee right-winger, hate-monger troll. Today you will earn 4 rupee because you 2 rupees more you will earn today because you give benefit to the Muslim, you abuse the Muslim, you get 2 rupees more today. You will get 2 rupees more. You right-winger, hate-monger, 2 rupee troll. You are not.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Abhijit says a heartbroken opposition with no agenda in hand for the parliament session using constitution copies to get some limelight. Ritesh said opposition is a clear case of misplaced priorities. And Waris and Sanju.
Nobody takes you seriously.
Election. And ladies and gentlemen, the way I see it, stop it now, come on, stop it. The way I see it, ladies and gentlemen, is that the opposition has got their best shot yet as being the strongest opposition over the last decade. If India intends it can do better than show their numerical strength in parliament, then simply placing more people to sloganeer and create an uproar in the House. My sense is that if they do that, if they have a non-serious approach, then the advances they have made, they will lose back again. People are very, very intelligent and very perceptive. They don't want to be amused. They will take an audit of how much work happened in this session of Parliament. If anything, the nature of the verdicts is telling you these days, people keep an extremely close watch. Viewers, see you tomorrow at 9 o'clock on working day one in Parliament in the Lok Sabha, in the 18 Lok Sabha. Till tomorrow evening, good night and goodbye.